Our group name is Sakshatra. That means self-powerful. My group members are Priyanshi, Nishtha, Vidhi, Harsh, Rajat, Vedant, Priyanshu and I am Chahat.
My name is Manas. वो थोड़ी है, but what have you done till now?
Sir, we are trying to urbanize our city. Urbanization guides orderly development in urban, suburban and rural areas. Although predominantly concerned with the settlements and communities, urban planning is also responsible for the development of water use and resources, parks and conserving areas of nature environmental significance.
So we are trying to make our Ahmedabad city a smart city. Ahmedabad, in western part of India, is the largest city of Gujarat. It is the 6th largest city and 7th largest metropolitan area of India.
According to the Tengasha, we should have a road of 3.5 plus 3.57 meters, we should have a parking lane of 2 plus 2 4 meters and we should have a footpath of 2 plus 2 4 meters.
The name of our road is Shahid Chowk Road. The area of the road is Wasrapur. The landmarks are Wasrapur, Mansi Circle and Nirman School. The ward number is 19. The ward corporators are Mr. Devangdani and Ms. Dipti Amakotia. The mayor is Mr. Gautam Shah. We have selected this local road because it is one of the busiest and most important roads of Ahmedabad. On this road, there are lots of residential areas, order houses, school, temples and bus stops.
The length of the road is 650 meters. The average width of the road is 14 meters. The width of the divider is 1.4 meter.
तुमको पता भी है इस रोड पे कितने प्रॉब्लम्स है? Problems like dug up roads, uneven roads, potholes, street lights not working properly, stray cattle roaming on the road, traffic jam, haphazard parking, waterlogging, mosquito problems. Oh, this list is endless.
Garbage is here, smoke is there. Problems are everywhere.
As you can see the graphical representation and our chart. 85% of the people are facing traffic problems on our road, 97% of the people are facing parking problems on our road and 77% of the people are facing dug up road problems on our road.
तुमने इसके लिए कुछ किया भी है या सिर्फ गरबा करना आता है?
Sir, we had carried out chart rally on our road depicting different awareness slogans. We had covered the whole stretch of the road. We kept shouting the slogans. We have also talked to the stakeholders.
Prepare and prevent, don't repair and repent.
Saving fuel is a hot potato. As a part of spreading awareness some people, we convince them to do carpooling or use public transport. Even our mayor uses public transport once in a while.
We went to the crossroads and carried out a no-one drive. We convinced people to switch off the engines when not in use to save fuel.
We requested people to observe no vehicle day at least once in a week, which will save fuel and reduce pollution.
We told people about turning off the main switch of their house when not in use.
We requested people to use biodegradable cups and plates during Navratri.
We talked to people about waste segregation. We collected used pens, e-waste, newspaper, plastic bags in different boxes, especially made by us for this. We even performed a role play in front of a huge audience, depicting waste segregation and cleanliness.
Tobacco kills. That's what we have tried to explain to the people. We did this by using chart and distributing pamphlets.
We promoted the idea of best out of waste and went to different societies and distributed beautiful cards made out of old things.
When we met with the MC officials on the road, they explained to us that the people living on rent in the Rabari lots don't have enough space to use the dustbins, and that's the reason they dispose of all the waste on roads and they make our roads dirty. Similarly, they also explained to us that the societies there don't have enough parking space to accommodate all the vehicles, and that's the reason people park them haphazardly on the road. We tried to explain to them the disadvantages of haphazard parking. They told us that they try to park their vehicles in the societies. Take a look at these men who are pouring out their heart and complaining to the MC officials.
We carried out no to crackers drive. As we all know, that crackers are a major source of pollution and they also harm animals.
We went on the road with our AMC officials, ward corporators and Safai Karmacharis to clean the area as part of our cleanliness drive.
We even contacted Ahmedabad Mirror and reported the problem of garbage outside the garden next to Hanuman temple. They immediately took action and contacted the proper officials. The garbage was immediately cleaned up.
Road is not only made by the physical characteristics like dividers, street light, etc. Roads are made by the people living there. So people are of utmost importance.
That's why we decided to celebrate the whole month of October as a joy of giving month. We thank community helpers by talking to them, giving them thank you cards, sweet boxes, and even new clothes during Diwali.
During demonetization, many people were facing problems as they need to stand in long ATM queues in the hot weather. So we decided to give them refreshments. We were praised by them, and Times of India also appreciated us by publishing an article in the newspaper.
ये तो सब ठीक है, पर तुमको पता भी है इस रोड पे और कितने प्रॉब्लम्स है? प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक चेन स्नैचिंग, फेक कॉप्स, ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम्स एंड पार्किंग प्रॉब्लम्स.
So we went to Vasapur police station to collect all the informations of the crimes being committed on our road. We had a guided tour of police station. They showed us that how the police department works, including maintaining records, watching CCTV cameras, etc.
We met DSP Ushada Madam at Kanas police station. She guided us about how to recognize fake cops, prevent chain snatching, stop child labor. She also told us about how to spread awareness among citizens, which we have done.
Awareness starts with it, begins with you.
We went to petrol pump. We asked two-wheeler drivers to wear a helmet and four-wheeler drivers to wear a seat belt. We requested the petrol pump authorities not to fill fuel for those who violate this rule.
Before Harris met, wear helmet.
ये तो सब कॉमन आइडियाज है, कुछ नए आइडियाज बताओ.
So we went to the Landmark Honda showroom. Our main motive was to promote safety rules for drivers on our road. We shared a rider with them which was no car could start unless and until the driver wears his or her seat belt.
Safety first or suffer the worst.
We can install Hyperloop One, which will speed up transportation as it works in vacuum. Roads that repair themselves can be installed so that people do not face any problem. We can install solar-powered objects so that we can save non-renewable resources.
ऐसा सब फॉरेन में होता है, नॉट हियर. ये इंडिया है, इंडिया. यहाँ तो मच्छर के काटने से डेंगू और मलेरिया फैलता है. डू यू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस अमंग मच्छर?
Sir, we spread awareness amongst people how to safeguard their health by distributing pamphlets and talking to them.
We even invited Dr. Sanjeev Shah from Unipath Laboratory to conduct blood tests to detect malaria.
ब्लड टेस्ट, रियली?
Yes sir, really.
देखो देखो ये गाय और डॉग ने तो ट्रबल करके रखा है. जाओ डंडा लेके आओ और इन्हें भगाओ.
We have written applications to Gaushala and CNCD.
CNCD? अब ये कौन से मूवी की सीडी है?
It's Cattle Nuisance Control Department, sir. It is for their benefit only. If they roam out on the road, it will be harmful for them.
हाँ ठीक है, whatever.
Sir, I had attended a workshop organized by ISRO in which they gave me a med kit which included a rain gauge, temperature and humidity reader. We kept it on the terrace of one of the residents on our road.
We invited Dr. Mehul Pandya, senior scientist from ISRO, and he gave us a printed map of Shahid Chowk Road.
ओहो, इसरो तक पहुंच गए. बहुत पहुंचे हुए चिल्लाए ना.
We met the mayor of Ahmedabad, Mr. Gautam Shah, who welcomed us with yummy ice cream.
आइसक्रीम विद मेयर, cool.
He talked to us for nearly 2 hours. He said that we, the young citizens, can only bring about the change we want to. He promised us that he'll make Ahmedabad a clean and a green city by planting more and more trees.
We even met the Deputy Municipal Commissioner of AMC, Mr. D.A. Shah, who promised us full support and cooperation.
We also met the Municipal Commissioner, Mr. Mukesh Kumar. He promised us to help in our project.
We met the Member of Parliament, Mr. Kirit Solanki, who promised us to help us in each and every possible way.
बोलते सब है, करता कोई नहीं. Ask me, I know better.
Oh no sir, not always. He gave us the numbers of all the cooperators from Vasrapur. He also gave us an appreciation letter which helped us to get full support from different parastatals.
We even met the Assistant Municipal Commissioner of AMC, Mr. Tejas Bhandari. He promised to help us provided that we showed him each problem with its exact location and photographs. We keep meeting him regularly. He also held a meeting with different departmental heads.
सब टाइम पास है.
No sir, not always. These departmental heads come with us every week on the road and talk to the stakeholders.
Ward Cooperator Mr. Devang Dani, Ms. Dipti Amarkotia, Councillor Mr. Kanti Patel, Deputy Health Officer Dr. Tejas Shah, Public Health Supervisor Mr. Harshad Mehta, Sanitary Inspector Mr. Hemant Patel also joined us during our cleanliness drive and wall painting.
And it is because of this that you can see these level roads filled up potholes, spray disinfectant, street lights in proper working condition, garbage cleaned up, zebra crossing and speed breakers painted, and many more. They have also promised us that by the next 6 months they'll improve the condition of this road and prove that this road belongs to the smart city Ahmedabad.
ओह, तो इसका मतलब है कि अगले 6 महीने में इस सड़क की पूरी शक्ल बदल जाएगी.
Yes sir, only 6 months. On 20th November, we had organized a health camp at Vastrapur. There were 4 qualified doctors. Our health camp involved free physical checkup, free dental checkup, free diabetes checkup and free consultancy with diabetic patients. We also gave free medicines to those who cannot afford it, including a pregnant lady.
दयावान बच्चे.
Respect and love, give it to get it. Respect is what we owe, love is what we give.
Respect is a two-way street. To earn respect, you must show respect.
We obtained 15 dustbins of AMC and distributed them among vegetable vendors and others who needed them.
On 20th November, we worked with the AMC, Health and Hygiene Department. We cleaned the order houses, distributed pamphlets and also heard the complaints. Immediate actions were taken by the AMC officials. We also painted a wall of public toilet in Vastrapur Garden with many slogans, pictures, symbols which encouraged people to stop open defecation. We were praised by the AMC officials.
Awesome. मानना पड़ेगा अगर तुम्हारे जैसे बच्चे हो तो our city will surely become a clean, green and a beautiful city to live in.
Thank you, sir.
To hear the birds chirp, let's give a Kit Kat brain to Hans.
Nature is the ultimate source of survival.
Now let's wait to jingle.
Come on, put your thinking caps on. If you work as a team, it won't be long. Plant more trees and turn the switches off. If you work as a team, it won't be long. Stop pollution now, stop corruption now, or face consequences. We need no cash, we need no help. Just don't be so lazy. Cause we don't need to be grown-ups now to make the things right. To make things right. Cause we don't need to be grown-ups now to make the things right. To make things right. Just play your part perfectly. Be the change you want to see. Just play your part perfectly. Be the change you want to see. Come on, just don't flow along. Even a small match can set the fire on. If you want to sing, you need to write your song. Even a small match can set the fire on. Na 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 na. We love our city. Na 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 na.
How to convince people, how to prepare questionnaires, how to conduct interviews. It helps us to think outside the box. Thank you, Balajanagra, for transforming us into active citizens.
Thank you.
Thank you.